This is part 6 of section 1.6. Now we're going to look at an application. A manufacturer of radios estimates that his daily cost of producing X radios is given by the equation C is equal to 350 plus 5X, and the equation R equal to 25X represents the revenue in dollars from selling X radios. So we're given the functions we need. Part A. Write and simplify the profit function, which is the profit function is the revenue minus the cost. So P of X is R of X, which is 25X, minus C, and C is 350 plus 5X. Don't forget your parentheses because we need to distribute. So our profit function is 20x minus 350. Okay. Part B, find P of 20. And then what does that represent? Well, P of 20, it's right here. So take 20 and plug it in. 20 times 20 minus 350, that's 400. Minus 350, so that is 50. Now, what is it? What did we just find? Profit is going to be in dollars, so we found that there are $50 when, what is 20? 20 is X, and X is the number of radios. So when 20 radios are produced. Now, how many radios should the manufacturer produce to sell to have a daily profit of $500? So we want this profit function to equal 500. So I just need to take 20x minus 350 and set that equal to 500 and solve. So you have 20x is equal to 850. And then when you divide both sides by 20, you get 42.5. Now, we can't manufacture half a radio. So on these problems, they will either ask you to round or you always need to go up. Most of the time, they're going to tell you to round up no matter what. This is since if I rounded down to 42, 42 radios is not going to get you quite up to 500. 43 will get you over, and it's business. No one's going to complain if you make their profit higher. So the answer they're looking for here is going to be 43 radios. Pay attention in my math lab. They have the instructions in blue near the blank, and they'll tell you exactly how they want you to round it. Okay, now part D, and this is the one that sounds scary, but it's not so bad. Find the composite function R composed with X of C, and what does it represent? And they give us a hint. To find X of C, we're supposed to solve the equation C equals 350 plus 5X, which was given to us up here. We want to solve it for X instead of C. So let's do that. So subtract 350. And our X value, divide everything by 5. So that would be 1/5 C minus 350 divided by 5 is 70. Okay? Now, so this is X of C. Now follow our definition here. We're looking for R of X of C. So we're looking for R of 1/5 C minus 70. So I need to take this and plug it in to R, and R is 25x. So 25 times 1/5 C minus 70. And I get 5C minus 25 times 70 is 1750. So what have we just done? Well, we've written revenue in terms of, instead of X, which was the number of radios, we now have revenue in terms of C, which is cost.